Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tech 360. In this video we are doing Food Tech Quiz number 54, topic Nutraceuticals and Functional Foods. It consists of 50 MCQs. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. The mixture of probiotics and prebiotics are known as options A. Antibiotics, B. Catabiotics, C. Symbiotics, D. None of the options. Correct answer C. Symbiotics. Question number 2. Food which is not standardized under PFA Act but it gets patent. Such food is called as options A. Genetically modified food, B. Proprietary food, C. Convenient food, D. None of the options. Correct answer B. Proprietary foods. Question number 3. Food cultivated by not using different chemicals such as pesticides, fertilizers and feed additives are called as options A. Inorganic foods, B. Genetically modified food, C. Organic foods, D. None of the options. Correct answer C. Organic foods. Question number 4. MUFA stands for dash. Options A. Monounsaturated fatty acids, B. Monounsaturated free acids, C. Monounsaturated fatty acid, D. None of the above. Correct answer C. Monounsaturated fatty acid. Question number 5. Cereal bran contains dash functional component. Options A. Insoluble fibers, B. Lycopene, C. Carotenoids, D. None of the above. Correct answer A. Insoluble fibers. Question number 6. Food produced by the reduction of toxic compounds naturally present in crop foods by applying genetic changes is called as options A. Genetically detoxicated food, B. Genetically modified food, C. Genetically maintained food, D. Genetically toxicated food. Correct answer A. Genetically detoxicated food. Question number 7. The food whole, fortified, enriched food that have beneficial effect on the health is known as dash. Options A. Specialty food, B. Nutritive food, C. Convenience food, D. Functional food. Correct answer D. Functional food. Question number 8. A food which are specially designed as it requires very short time for preparation is called as options A. Specialty food, B. GM food, C. Convenience food, D. Functional food. Correct answer C. Convenience food. Question number 9. Tomato contains dash pigment. Options A. Chlorophyll A, B. Lycopene, C. Xanthophyll, D. Chlorophyll B. Correct answer B. Lycopene. Question number 10. Which of the following is recognized as well-balanced oil? Options A. Safflower oil, B. Sunflower oil, C. Groundnut oil, D. Canola oil. Correct answer D. Canola oil. Question number 11. Anola is richest source of dash. Options A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin D, D. All of this. Correct answer B. Vitamin C. Question number 12. PUFA plays important role in reducing options A. Body weight, B. Body height, C. Blood cholesterol level, D. None of this. Correct answer C. Blood cholesterol level. Question number 13. PUFA stands for dash. Options A. Polyunsaturated fatty acid, B. Polyunsaturated fatty acid, C. Polyunsaturated free acid, D. None of these. Correct answer B. Polyunsaturated fatty acid. Question number 14. Which of the following vegetable consumption could significantly reduce the chances of mammary cancer? Options A. Cabbage, B. Broccoli, C. Brussels, D. None of the options. Correct answer A. Cabbage. Question number 15. The volatile alkaloid responsible for hotness of pepper. Options A. Cathepsin, B. Sulfur containing contains, C. Capsaicin, D. Both A and B. Correct answer C. Capsaicin. Question number 16. The food which are mainly designed for curing different types of disease are called. Options: A. Proprietary food, B. Convenient food, C. Therapeutic food, D. Genetically modified food. Correct answer C. Therapeutic food. Question number 17. Which of the following is not a benefit of organic food? Options: A. High productivity, B. Low resistance to pest, C. Easy pest control, D. Instant result in production field. Correct answer B. Low resistance to pest. Question number 18. GM food stands for. Options: A. Genetically modified food, B. Good modified food, C. Genetically mineralized food, D. None of the above. Correct answer A. Genetically modified food. Question number 19. Food cultivated by using different chemicals such as pesticides, fertilizers, and feed additives are called as. Options: A. Inorganic foods, B. Organic foods, C. Genetically modified food, D. None of the options. Correct answer A. Inorganic foods. Question number 20. Dash are also known as friendly bacteria or good bacteria. Options: A. Antibiotics, B. Nutraceuticals, C. Probiotics, D. None of the options. Correct answer C. Probiotics. Question number 21. The food which is designed according to the requirement of astronauts for consumption is called. Options: A. Pet food, B. Space food, C. Food for defense, D. None of the options. Correct answer B. Space food. Question number 22. A semi-solid food specially made for the infant is called as dash. Options: A. Dry pet food, B. Weaning food, C. Supplement food, D. None of these. Correct answer B. Weaning food. Question number 23. Functional food with potentially disease preventing and health promoting properties is called as. Options: A. Probiotics, B. Prebiotics, C. Organic foods, D. Nutraceuticals. Correct answer D. Nutraceuticals. Question number 24. Castor seed is rich in dash. Options: A. Resinolenic acid, B. Linolenic acid, C. Linoleic acid, D. Oleic acid. Correct answer A. Resinolenic acid. Question number 25. Space food should provide at least dash calories per day. Options: A. 200, B. 2000, C. 20, D. 20,000. Correct answer B. 2000 calories per day. Question number 26. The herb Pureria labata also contains isoflavones that can be used in treatment against dash. Options: A. Alcoholism, B. Cancer, C. Cardiovascular disease, D. Blood pressure. Correct answer A. Alcoholism. Question number 27. The food extracts can be used as preventive drugs or food supplements known as dash. Options: A. Nutraceuticals, B. Pharmaceuticals, C. Phytochemicals, D. All of the options. Correct answer A. Nutraceuticals. Question number 28. Pink skin of groundnut and red wine are rich source of dash. Options: A. Resveratrol, B. Ellagic acid, C. Ferulic acid, D. Curcumaric acid. Correct answer A. Resveratrol. Question number 29. Non-digestible food ingredient beneficial for growth of good bacteria in colon called. Options: A. Prebiotic, B. Probiotic, C. Healthy biotic, D. All of the options. Correct answer A. Prebiotic. Question number 30. Citrus peel acts as nutraceutical supplying dash. Options: A. Carotenoids, B. Flavonoids, C. Flavonoids, D. All of the options. Correct answer C. Flavonoids. Question number 31. Chilies contain dash which possibly reduces the risk of heart and artery diseases. Options: A. Curcumin, B. Crocin, C. Capsaicin, D. All of the options. Correct answer C. Capsaicin. Question number 32. Any substance that may be considered as food or part of food and provides medical and health benefits, including the prevention and treatment of disease called as dash. Options: A. Phytochemicals, B. Pharmaceutical, C. Nutraceuticals, D. All of the options. Correct answer: C. Nutraceuticals. Question number 33. Allylic sulfides are potent anti-mutagenic and anti-carcinogenic agents, occurs mainly in dash. Options: A. Shears, B. Garlic, C. Leeks, D. All of the options. Correct answer: D. All of the options. Question number 34. Dash acts as antioxidant protecting lung tissues from free oxygen. Options: A. Carotenoids, B. Lycopene, C. Laminoids, D. Xanthophylls. Correct answer: C. Laminoids. Question number 35. Dash are live microbial supplements that benefit human and animal health by the microbial balance in the intestine. Options: A. Symbiotics, B. Prebiotics, C. Probiotics, D. None of these. Correct answer: C. Probiotic. Question number 36. Dash provides health benefits beyond the nutrient contribution when they are eaten on regular basis in adequate amounts. Options: A. Supplementary food, B. Convenience food, C. Essential food, D. Functional food. Correct answer: D. Functional food. Question number 37. Dash are non-nutritive compounds found in plant-derived food that have biological activity in the body. Options: A. Nutraceuticals, B. Phytochemicals, C. Food additives, D. Plant protein. Correct answer: B. Phytochemicals. Question number 38. DHA stands for. Options: A. Dihydroxyacetic acid, B. Docosahexaenoic acid, C. Docohexanol acetic acid, D. None of the above. Correct answer: B. Docosahexaenoic acid. Question number 39. Food containing live beneficial microorganisms. Options: A. Prebiotic, B. Probiotic, C. Healthy biotic, D. All of the options. Correct answer: B. Probiotic. Question number 40. Non-digestible food ingredients that beneficially affect the host by selectively stimulating the growth or activity of colon and intestinal bacteria, thus improves the health, is known as. Options: A. Prebiotics, B. Probiotics, C. Symbiotics, D. All of the options. Correct answer: A. Prebiotics. Question number 41. Soybean contains dash nutraceuticals, function as antioxidant and possess phytoestrogenic properties. Options: A. Isoflavone, B. Ellagic acid, C. Saponins, D. Aromaric acid. Correct answer: A. Isoflavone. Question number 42. The major phytochemical used as nutraceuticals is. Options: A. Sphingolipid, B. Lecithin, C. Choline, D. Glucosinolates. Correct answer: D. Glucosinolates. Question number 43. Which of the following protein plays an important role in defense against infection by pathogens? Options: A. Casein, B. Soy protein, C. Zein, D. Albumin. Correct answer: A. Casein. Question number 44. Which of the following are the advantages of organic farming? Options: A. More labor intensive, B. Low productivity, C. Low pest control, D. All of the options. Correct answer: D. All of the options. Question number 45. Which of the following are the health benefits of probiotics? Options: A. Antibiotic-like action in body, B. Reduce recurrence of blood cancer, C. Prevention and treatment of urinary tract infection in females, D. All of the options. Correct answer: D. All of the options. Question number 46. Garlic contains bioactive compound dash. Options: A. Flavanol, B. Allicin, C. Polyols, D. Phylloquinone. Correct answer: B. Allicin. Question number 47. Which of the following are therapeutic diet based on nutrients? Options: A. High fiber diet, B. Low fat diet, C. Low sodium diet, D. All of the options. Correct answer: D. All of the options. Question number 48. PER stands for dash. Options: A. Product expansion ratio, B. Protein expansion ratio, C. Protein efficiency rate, D. Protein efficiency ratio. Correct answer: D. Protein efficiency ratio. Question number 49. Which of the following vegetable contains glucosinolates which has chemopreventive properties? Options: A. Cabbage, B. Broccoli, C. Brussels, D. All of the options. Correct answer: D. All of the options. Question number 50. Dash fermented food product prepared from cabbage. Options: A. Murabba, B. Sauerkraut, C. Kimchi, D. Tofu. Correct answer: B. Sauerkraut. If you have missed out the previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, like this video and share this information to your friends. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us.